So this is the one that we are going for. 12 people on board. This one or this one.
So the first sign is the black back coming up from the surface. When they come to breathe, they'll break the surface of their body. You'll see a dark shape with a triangular dorsal fin on the top. Second sign is the blow, especially with humpback whales. This can be really, really obvious, can be up to 3 meters tall, so really big sign. Third sign is splashes, big splashes, little splashes, just in one place. It's likely that something's jumping or moving a bit faster. And then the last sign is birds. Big flocks of birds all diving down to the surface. It means that there's a lot of fish in that place. And if there's a lot of fish in one area, it's likely that bigger animals are feeding there too. If we do see anything, I'll tell you where to look using the clock system. So straight ahead is 12 o'clock, behind us is 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, all the other numbers. Just gives you a little bit more direction than left and right, basically. We have had 4 humpbacks out there this morning, so fingers crossed they're still there. But as I said, they obviously can swim around and move to different areas. So we'll do our best, obviously. We will stop for puffin.
After when we leave here, the captain decided to go speed and speed and speed because the other people that we are going together with them. So after when we watch the different type of bird and we spark. But believe me, when you enter here, you have to put your eyes glass. If not that the wind, when the boat started to moving fast. Oh my God, I started asking myself, who sent me? Who asked me to come? Who asked me to join this trip? I was very, especially when the wave started bouncing the boat, pum, pum. Oh my goodness, I nearly shit. So from the O, then we begin to learn from the sign from the whale. Whenever we see them, they put their tail out and go deep. So it means it's going to take either 4 or 5 to 6 minutes before they can come out, because when they are up and taking the brief, so immediately you see they turn up with their tail. When we see them go deep, it's meaning we are going to wait and start searching. And here is not the only job for the captain or the crew member. All of us inside this boat, we are keep looking around to see. When we see the wheel pump up somewhere, then we quickly rush to that area and keep on watching. So whenever you are inside this one, you don't need to the captain to show you. You guys have to be watching vigilant, watching left and right, because everybody watching to see. If the captain did not see, so that you guys can see and tell the captain this is the way. Especially my eyes was very clear and I can see everywhere. So I'm the one that always seeing and say, look at here, because I know the purpose that I'm here, and I was not joking. I don't want somebody to see before me, so I'm the one always see everything and say, look at here, here, so that we are. And everybody was proud that I was inside this boat, and we really enjoy this our trip, and we learn many things that we don't know about whale. And today we see them different. We get to the point that we normally see them two, they come at the same time. Oh my God.
fortfarande bara på serien. Plutselig ser han et eller annet.
What's this whale's name?
I don't know this one actually.
Oh.
We've had a few. This is one of the newer ones of the season, I think. The last few days we've had a group of 3 or 4 that have been hanging around.
So every year they come back to the same spot.
Yeah, that we've been able to see that some of them will actually socialise together, where they will like come as a pair and like hang out together, be together, which is really unusual. Like I was saying before, usually
Alone, huh? Yeah, alone. Not like your house.
yeah, dolphins always. But a couple of years ago, we had 2 whales that were always together and always super curious. They come up and look at you while you're looking at them. But we haven't really seen them much. Often, like sometimes they just might not come for a year.
This side.
Ja, det was
Back over there. Oh, in the front here. See? Here, in front.
ja.
Oh my God, he's gone again.
It's so close. You actually
Yeah.
feel like you can touch it.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
So pretty. Jeg tror man har sånn som her, så har du liksom muligheten for å følge etter det mye fortere. Hvis du er i de andre, så når du kanskje bort før de har døkt ned igjen. Liksom.
And then Palace Dolphins, yeah, pretty dream job for a biologist. But yeah, it's whales are amazing. Yeah. The humpbacks are, well, they're probably like one of the most famous whales for communication, the singing that they do. It's mostly the males that, well, we think it's the
inside.
Or just like swimming and stuff, it's like a totally different world. It's just fascinating.
How is scuba diving?
Yeah, it's not very popular.
No.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably have something to do with water.
Yeah, there are some amazing places around the coast,
What directions are
like on the north coast there's like this thermal vent which is one of the only ones in the world that you can dive because it's close to shore, it's quite shallow, but it's like one of those places where they think that's where life started kind of thing, where it's and you can dive like right next to it and you're like in kind of 10 degree water and then you can put your hand out and it's 70 degrees and it's like it's insane.
Of course, that's the only logical thing to do. Like, there's another option.
We have to wait a lot from here.
That's another one.
That's another one.
Yeah.
That's a different one.
I'll find a way.
Yeah.
Jag føler den er større.
can another one here. Oh, there are two. Oh my goodness. They are doing this. So now, okay, there are one here, one here.